Are you happy? Huh? Are you happy because you had milk? Ah, I love you. You're happy. Are you happy? You are. I love you. Are you a good boy? Huh? You are a good boy. You're a good boy, yeah? Yes. And you're matakaw? Yeah. You want to dede a lot? Huh? Yes? Yes. Look at your tongue. I love you. I love you, Miguel. Opo? Opo. Opo. Good boy. Say bye.